The importance of learning Chinese language when studying in China is what we are getting to today. So before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and tap on the subscribe button to ensure that you get more content and videos just like this for you. So don't forget to share these videos with your friends and families and with those that are aspiring to come to study in China. They are going to find this very informative. So we are going to get right into it. Why is it important that you study Chinese language when studying in China? So number one, cultural immersion. It is important that you understand the culture of the locals here. You understand their way of living, because this helps you build relationships with the locals. Number two, job opportunities. Studying Chinese language and mastery of the language automatically helps you become valuable, and employers would often prefer those that have knowledge when it comes to their Chinese proficiency. So I would encourage that you study Chinese language when you get here. And number three, it's going to help you improve your language. This is because majority of the Chinese speaking people, okay, well, depending on where you are going to be, but majority of the Chinese speaking people speak Mandarin. So for you to go about your day-to-day life, you need to be able to speak at least basic Chinese, because you need Chinese to book for hotels, you need Chinese to order for food, you need Chinese to do everything literally. So learning Chinese language is very, very, very important. Okay, so talking of the importance of Chinese language, I am now jumping into the best part of this video. For those who still want to come in China to study, September intake applications are not yet done. We still have the last partial scholarship opportunity for those that want to come this September. So you are going to study Chinese language for 1 year and stand the opportunity to apply for a full scholarship next year after obtaining your Chinese language proficiency certificate. Whether you want to apply next year for bachelor's or for master's, it is okay. So since it's a partial scholarship, so payments have been cut down, and they are as follows. So for tuition fee per year, it is 520 United States dollars, as well as accommodation, which is 520 United States dollars. So if you are interested in applying for this September intake, ensure that you click on the description below and hit us up, and we will ensure that we get you your admission letter as soon as possible at the lowest saving rate. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Until next time.